Okay, so we're creating a bridal shower menu, going for bright spring vibes. I'm starting with this template. We're not changing anything major, just giving it a bit more of our own touch. Right now, everything feels nicely centered, but I want to create a little more breathing room, especially toward the bottom. So I'm just moving everything slightly up. Yeah, that already feels more open. It gives us space to add something without making the design feel crowded. And since this is a spring theme, I feel like this is the perfect place to bring in something floral, just to enhance the overall mood. So I'm choosing an element and placing it along the bottom. That already adds so much personality without taking away from the layout. And the colors here are really doing the heavy lifting. It instantly makes the whole design feel more seasonal and on theme. Now I'm looking back at the text. The main title already stands out really nicely, so I'm leaving that as is. But I do want to bring a little bit of that color into the rest of the design just to tie everything together. So I'm adding subtle color accents into a few areas of the text. Nothing too strong, just enough to create contrast and guide the eye as you read through. Also, noticing this script text in the middle, I actually like it as a detail, so we're not changing that. But let's add a background color. And now, looking at the full design, everything feels really cohesive. The top and bottom connect, the colors feel consistent, and the layout still feels clean and easy to read. Same template, just a slightly more personalized version. The best part is none of these changes were complicated. It's really just about small, thoughtful adjustments, spacing, color, and overall cohesion. And once you get used to that, you can apply this exact approach to any template. Quick question. Do you usually prefer keeping templates minimal or adding details like this to give them more personality? All right, I'll be reading your comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and digital template tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.